What do I use AI? Using AI for recipes. Ask for recipes. I asked ChatGPT for a pasta primavera recipe with no squash or mushrooms in it and with balsamic sauce, and it came back with one that it created, which was great. Great and easy to generate recipes for what you have on hand. And that's a fantastic idea. I have used that before personally, never thought to say, but I will tell you this. I had the problem with it is I did it for apple crisp last year. And guess what? I said, give it to me one step at a time. And it blurted out the whole damn thing. And then I was like, okay, stop, go back to step one. Okay. And he gave me step one. I'm like, all right, I'm ready for step two. And it blurted out the whole thing. I was yelling at ChatGPT like you wouldn't believe by the time it was over with. Like, stop it. How many damn times do I have to tell you? One step at a time. I'm sorry. I'll only give you one. Then it would give me one step. And then the next on again. But that's a fantastic idea.